Anthony Mwangi, well known as Pastor T. Anthony Mwangi was raised in Samburu County and began his career as a musician, whereby later he changed his occupation to be a pastor. Well, you've seen Pastor T with different clashes, mara na Bahati, mara na wasanii, and you wonder, is it right? Or does he just have to preach and anyamaze? Let's figure out. These pastors in Kenya, tuko na pastors different. Number 1, Pastor Ng'ang'a. Number 2, Pastor Victor Kanyari. Number 3, tuko na Pastor Owor. Number 4, tuko na Pastor Ezekiel. This is for the pastors we've seen always being talked about. Before we continue, welcome to Uprising Star Kenya. Uprising Star Kenya, we give you stories behind the scenes of pastors, musicians, dancers, or just influencers that you know. Tulianza na Pastor T, and every person has background. Or let me say, stories zenye zimekuwa zikifanyika before where he is. Msanii huanza kuwa upcoming, alafu baadaye anakuwa star. So Pastor T alikuwa once msherati, na usherati yake alikuwa anapiga keroro kweli kweli. So he says he has survived HIV infection 2 times. Mademu alikuwa mpatia ukimwi, lakini Mungu naye ni nani? Akaamua kumtoa kwa yongori. Well, every person has a story to tell before and after. Pastor T was once a musician. He did a song featuring Nika the Queen and Flavor. The song was called Yes I Do. So there are many reasons for people changing career. Labda umeitwa, labda kumekuwa kugumu, ama, hustle. But the way social media wanarudishiana maneno na Mr. T, you will wonder, is this beef or is this ministry? Juzi amebonga kuhusu Mr. T. So, I don't know. Are pastors supposed to condemn? Ama waachane na watu wafanye mambo yao? You tell me. This second guy, Pastor Ng'ang'a. Hey, commander. This is the commander. So for him to become a commander, he was once in jail. Commander has a church located in town, Nairobi town. Pale kunajulikana kama Railways. And he was supposed to be removed there, but commander ni nani? Commander fought for that. So tutaita ni kiburi yake ama ni uwezo wa Mungu? I don't know. James Maina Ng'ang'a, he is the founder of Neno Evangelism Center, based in Nairobi. Na tumekuwa tukicheki dramatic healing sessions zake hapa hivi TikTok, YouTube. Kwa mtandao tu. Check this one.
Losi nilikuambia ukuje. Kuja hapa. Kwa nini wanafuja wewe mkono? How? Oh no. It can't be that. Touch.
Ng'ang'a is said to be removing stones from people's body. Na hapo tunasema anatoa mapepo.
Wachilia maisha. Kibia na wende. Kibia.
Pastor Ng'ang'a had a wife called Mercy Njeri. Mercy Njeri died in a road accident. Later Ng'ang'a was to be charged through dangerous driving. That is also failing to report an accident. Na pia walisema hakukuwa na valid insurance ya kudrive gari. So the case later, it was covered up by police na ikali to a new investigations. So tuache hayo.